All the complicated AI deals explained in 90 seconds. Everyone's been seeing this complicated graph, so let's break it down. First, who are the players? We have OpenAI, who develops AI models and products, NVIDIA and AMD that make the powerful GPUs to train and run these AI models and products, and finally Oracle, who lets companies rent access to these chips. Typically, a developer will buy the chips from the chip makers or rent them from a cloud provider, and the cloud provider will buy chips from the chip makers. Now, let's talk about the deals between all these companies. There's three main ones to know about. First, the deal between NVIDIA and OpenAI. NVIDIA is investing $100 billion into OpenAI in exchange for equity, and OpenAI will use that money to buy NVIDIA chips and build 10 gigawatts worth of data centers. The second deal is between OpenAI and AMD. OpenAI will use AMD chips to build 6 gigawatts of data centers, and in return, OpenAI will get up to 10% ownership of AMD if their stock price hits 600, which is currently at $200-ish. And for the third deal, OpenAI is paying Oracle $300 billion over 5 years for cloud computing power. And here's where it gets interesting. OpenAI is getting $100 billion from NVIDIA, but then is spending $300 billion with Oracle, who plans on buying tens of billions of dollars worth of NVIDIA chips. Wait, there's more. NVIDIA is gonna own equity in OpenAI, who's gonna own equity in AMD, who is NVIDIA's biggest competitor. So NVIDIA indirectly has a stake in its rival now. But OpenAI is still buying chips from both of them. So yeah, my head kind of hurts. Anyway, let me know what you think of these deals in the comments. Is it a bubble or is it normal for all these companies to be so interconnected?